Good morning, evening, or whatever your current time zone is. This is Mel, and today we are going to play Colors of the Wind. Before we get into playing, let's talk about this C sharp minor up here, hanging around in the corner, looking all innocent. If you go down into the fingering chart, you'll see that a C sharp minor is just like a B minor, only slid down to bar the 4th fret. And that's valid and wonderful, all fine and well and good, but you can also play it with an alternate fingering and alternate chord voicing. And that fingering we're going to use today is 1-1-0-4. And I know it can be a bit of a stretch to get your pinky down there on the 4th fret of the A string, but if you rotate your uke so the headstock is closer to your ear, you can kick out your elbow and be in a position to get there. If it's still a bit too far, just play the top 3 strings. 1, 1, 0. So, let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dirt thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or asked the grinning bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come roll in all the riches all around you, and for once never wonder what they're worth. A rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The heron on the otter are my friends, and we are all connected to each other in a circle, in a hoop that never ends. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or let the eagle tell you where he's been? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, for whether we are white or copper-skinned, we need to sing with all the voices of the mountains. We need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still all you'll own is earth until you can paint with all the colors colors of the wind. There you go. I hope you enjoy playing this and you have an excellent day.